Limpsfield Combustion Engineering is an industrial burner manufacturer that was established in 1995. Frustrated by the quality of burners he imported, Brendan Kemp of Autoflame decided to design his own and then sold the designs off to Limpsfield, a company he still advises. When Keith Knowles joined the company in 2005, he brought with him the belief that for Limpsfield to succeed in the face of established competition, the company had to keep things simple and to do those simple things well.
Limpsfield's management style is to do it the simple way, do simple things and do them very well. A bit like the Bill Shankly method many years ago, if anyone knows football. Brendan Kemp, who is a mentor of mine, I worked for him at Autoflame, a combustion company. He's an experienced manager as well as combustion engineer, and he taught me these things at a very early stage. Those things that we've tried to bring into Limpsfield on a daily basis to make it easy to follow, simple things, short lines of communication, so there's a lot less mistakes, or a lot less chance of mistakes.
As part of this approach, Limpsfield immediately invested time and money into getting all the necessary quality assurance and standard approvals.
In order to progress, we realised that we had to make sure that we had all of the worldwide standards. So for England, Europe, we had to have CE standards. For America, we had to have the UL approvals. We set out to do those, and we actually completed all of those, as well as putting a complete quality assurance system in within 18 months. That takes away a lot of the problems, or a lot of the reasons that somebody could say no to our product.
Furthermore, the company adopted a philosophy of pumping all its profits back into the business in order to invest in equipment, focused on R&D, and develop new products. They increased their burner range in keeping with societal changes, now offering burners that fire bio and landfill gases, and bought 2 Mazak 5-axis machines, bringing state-of-the-art precision engineering to the combustion world.
At Limpsfield, we like to put our profits back into the company to focus on R&D, ensure that we have the correct machinery, the best products that we can supply our customer. Through this, we have to do research, development and testing to ensure that when it goes into the field, it is the best that it can be.
This philosophy paid off as they started to design more efficient burners than their competitors. And knowing that any client contract would be based on ROI, they decided to guarantee an efficiency of the burner in their contracts.
We found many years ago that we could run our burners with much less O2s, much less excess air than our competition. We were the first company, and still the only company worldwide, to actually do that, to offer a guarantee of performance. This to our end users and also to our reps around the world gives them a much better chance of, one, selling the project, but also making sure they get a return of investment.
This approach proved a success, and the company started to win contracts in the US, where it opened an office in 2006. Furthermore, Limpsfield achieved 30% growth last year despite the economic downturn. The company's offering proves very attractive to clients in both the private and public sectors, where Limpsfield can not only make efficiency savings, but also meet new legislation regards emission.
We work with Limpsfield burners because of the increased reliability and efficiency gains that we can deliver our customers. We're very confident that we can deliver between 10 to 15% fuel reductions by reburnering with Limpsfield and Autoflame controls. Increases in legislative requirements, such as the carbon reduction commitment, have increased the need for our customers to look at solutions like ours, not only to reduce their fuel consumption, but also comply with legislation.
Looking to the future and building on its technology, Limpsfield hopes to enter new markets, and to enter the smaller burner market where competition is much greater.
We are seeking to look into the European market more. We're looking to go into the Middle East, Far East. We're also looking to develop more products. We have new burner ranges, packaged burners, cheaper burners, without sacrificing the quality.
If Keith Knowles continues to follow his mantra of keep it simple, and the company retains its model of investing its profits back into R&D, Limpsfield looks set to be generating heat within the industry for some time to come.
We're feeling very confident about the future. We mustn't be complacent. Must always remember that there's always going to be somebody out there trying to do what you're doing, trying to maybe copy what we're doing. We feel that we have a great product. We feel that we maybe have the best product out there in our market. We also feel that we have great people, great technical support. I believe those two go hand in hand. So I am confident, although of course you mustn't be complacent, but quietly confident of the future for Limpsfield.